Welcome! In front of me I have X-WATCH Joli XW Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the home screen, the current watch face. Now swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see the settings icon. Tap on it to enter the settings. And in the settings, you should see the brightness option. Tap on it. And here we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. And once you're done adjusting the screen brightness, press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.